This module is to train maintenance teams and contractors on safe dock maintenance. The objective of this module is to familiarize you with the safe dock and explain safe dock maintenance and best practices. Retailers believe the inspection, repair, and replacement of safe dock is part of their maintenance contract. If this is incorrect, please bring this to the attention of your retailer. Otherwise, they're relying on you to perform the following maintenance inspection. First, inspect and repair the cart that the safe dock is attached to. If the cart needs to be destroyed, remove the safe dock unit first, to be applied to another cart in good working condition. If the cart is in good repair, next, inspect the safe dock itself.
Inspecting your safe docks is necessary to keep them in proper working order. To assist in your safety inspection program, please use the downloadable safety inspection checklist for shopping cart infant docking stations. The safe dock should be inspected on a daily basis to identify problems early. Have staff familiarize themselves with the safe dock and what to inspect. The warning labels should be present and fully legible. Make sure the safe dock is anchored securely to the shopping cart with all 4 nuts fastened tightly. Also, make sure there are no cracks or protruding areas on the units that may cause injury. The overall appearance should be clean and inviting, with no signs of excessive wear, fading, stains, or damage. The harness should show no signs of visible fraying, be free of rips and tears, and free of excessive wear. All stitching should be visibly intact, with no loose or pulled threads. The buckle should show no signs of visible wear, no cracks, breaks, or missing halves or parts. The buckle should function properly when buckled and released. Fasten the buckle and pull the mating ends of the belt. If buckle unfastens, replace the belt. If buckle can't be unbuckled, replace the belt. If your harness needs to be replaced, please call 800-356-7796 for replacement parts. Clean the unit as often as needed using a mild soap or detergent. Make sure all cleaning agents have been completely removed from the unit prior to putting it back into service. A safe dock that fails any of these inspection checks or is not installed consistent with SafeStrop's safe dock installation instructions should be replaced. To replace the safe dock harness, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver for propping up the gate. Prop the shopping cart gate into its raised position as shown, using a screwdriver or piece of wood. Find the 2 screws that secure the harness to the safe dock. Remove the screws and the metal plate. Do the same on the other side of the harness. Pull the old harness through the holes in the safe dock. Discard. Keep the screws and metal plates for attaching the replacement harness. Hold the replacement harness in front of the safe dock. The red release button should point down. From the front of the safe dock, insert one end of the replacement harness into the harness receiving slot. Using the hardware from the old harness, insert the metal plate into the end loop of the new harness. Secure the metal plate to the safe dock using the screws from the old harness. Repeat these steps on the other side of the safe dock. Tighten all 4 screws. Return the shopping cart gate to its lowered position. The safe dock can now be returned to service.
Once done with your inspection, please keep safe dock carts accessible and visible at each entrance of the store. Carts with safe dock should be available to parents with just 1 pull. Should the amount of safe dock carts fall below 2% of the store's fleet, please take action to restore to recommended levels. Some maintenance companies carry safe dock on their trucks for this purpose. If you inspect carts at a store that do not have any safe dock, you can be of service to your customer by asking if they would like to order safe dock for you to install. For further information about safe dock and other safety equipment for the retail environment, visit www.safestrap.com.